Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to use VS Code in our phone without depending on mobile phone capabilities. If your phone have less storage and less RAM, so you can go with this video because it have nothing to do with your phone storage and RAM. Only you have to access this service in your browser and use this. You will see I'm on laptop, but it is not lap. It is Chromebook. It is similar to Android phone. So open your browser and search for app.codeanywhere.com. This is that service which provide you VS Code online. You have to create an account here. So I will create with Google. So you have to create a new workspace. Click here and you can create a workspace with templates. But I'm not going to with that. I will just go on my GitHub and I will create a new repository. And remember that must be public. And copy the link of that repo and just paste here and click on create. It will take some time. I have created an index.html file and some code here. You can run this file by clicking on this preview button. So this is all about this video. Hope this help you and you can start your coding journey with your phone, with your laptop, if your laptop is less RAM storage. So I'm going to end this video and you can share with your friends.